Hi everyone, we're going to go back to creating templates, and this time we're going to actually create a certificate or an award. So go ahead and click File and then choose New. And I just wanted to share with you, there's other searches. You could look under Business, Cards, Flyers, Letters, Education, Resumes and Cover Letters, and Holiday. Or you can actually type in a particular topic, birthday cards, and you can get a variety of birthday cards to choose from and create. I'm going to go back home. Holiday's pretty cool. They have some interesting flyers available, some templates that are cards also. You can also type in certificate. And you can award yourself a certificate for the day. And you can select from a wide range of certificates. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one and choose Create. Now, depending on what you choose, you can select any of the information and type your own information. I would just like your name somewhere on the certificate, and you can, if you want to add more, you can, or leave it without, but I just want to at least see your name on there. And when I choose this certificate, if I wanted to, I could change the type of text font if I didn't like what was there. Just because what's there doesn't mean I have to keep it. Just like if I wanted to add a picture, I could go to Insert, Online Picture, and maybe add a gold star, and I can add that to the picture. So the template is just something to go by. And I'm just going to move this star a little bit over to the side. Maybe make a copy of another star on this side. So templates are something to go with, and then you can build off of that. And there are many to choose from in Word. Go ahead and save and submit. Thank you.